ery'ekibiina kino ntwala mukisa guno okukwebaza olw'omukaaga oluwedde twali naawe bwe twalina aba primary watufisizaawo akadakiika ate n'olwaleero ozze manyi obadde mu bingi ebikuwuuba naye tukwebaza olw'okutwagala. Wiikendi ewedde twalina primary schools 30 leero ziri 25. Baheeri teachers abasinga obungi bayolekedde ku masomero gaabwe bajja kuwuubirako ate n'abagenyi abalala mu biti ebyenjawulo. Siba nkusaba otutuuseeko obubaka bwo.
Ladies and gentlemen, and you, our dear students, good evening. Permit me to point out a few dignitaries amongst us. The first one is the Member of Parliament, Mrs. Juliet Chikomeko. Welcome. I would like to welcome in a very special way the Chairman of the Board of the Education Department of the Diocese, Reverend Father Dr. George Byarugaba. You know, he also doubles as the Director of Uganda Matters Campus Masaka at Bwala, or no, Masaka Social Center at Bwala. The place is called Masaka Social Center, located at Bwala. I would like to welcome you, head teachers, and all members of staff. Kindly rise for a thunderous clap for you, from all the students here. Buli head teacher ayimirire, abayizi mukubire mu ngalo ng'akalulu. Olulimi oluvubuka mugamba nti babayiriddewo. Please sit down. We are sitting it down. I would like to thank the Education Secretariat for organizing these two events, one after the other, so close to each other, and organizing them so well. It is amazing. We thank you for doing this job with a passion. You put in all your heart, your emotion, your time. I know you will sleep well when everything has closed. May God bless you. I would like to welcome also our partners. I'm mentioning so many people. Our partners in education, sport, cotton on, Rise, good, she's there. You know how much cotton on is doing with us in the districts of Rwengo, Rakai, and a bit of Jyotera. Not yet. Do we have something in Jyotera? Not yet. Those other two districts, the input is massive. I'm now turning it to you. I recognize you heartily. I now turn to you, dear students. Fenna tuli wano lwa kubeeramu. Mwekubire mu ngalo. Muli ba muwendo. Muli ba bbeeyi gye tuli. Kyokka amaanyi ge tussaamu gabe akabonero akabakakasa nti tubaagaliza birungi byereere. We want you to have the best of the future, of your future lives. We want you to live a better life than we are living. We are living a good life. We are not bad off. But we want you to enjoy a better life when we are old and when we have crossed over. Muwulidde abalenzi n'abawala muŋŋambe nti ye n'amaanyi ng'abaalidde kawunga oba mu bulamu ka kawuugumi bajja kukabateeramu enkya. Again? Kakati bwe mulaba nga tubakaabirako ate mwe mukaabire ddala. Bwe mulaba nga abo bonna benkonyeeko beenyigiddemu in your formation, upbringing, your education in schools, mutegeere Ate mumwina okussaamu amaanyi agasingawo. Muwulidde bassebo ne bannyabo, mwagala nfuka mirembe egayirire mugitegeere. Abuulira omugezi ayogera bitono bwe bammwe intelligent mawuka nti omugezi bamubuulira obugambo butono nga yategedde be bammwe. Very good. To all of us, we have to build a culture of passing on. Nti ekikoleddwa abaliwo kaakati tukiteekateeka ne tukikwasa abaki abatuddirira. Buli ssomero likikole. Ogambe nti we participate in the education week every year. Ate tutunuulidde, I have already challenged the chairman of the board of education. Sports is also oncoming. Maybe we need 1-2 years to get organized. Era nakyo tumanye nti mu masomero gaffe gyekiki gyekiri. Discipline, tuwali ajja kuzina awangule wano okujjawo nga mulina discipline. I bet ekyo nkisaako omukono nti okujjako nga kwaya erina discipline tesobola kuwangula performing arts. Ekyo nakyo kibeere nga mugaa nti essomero lyaffe buli kiseera tupasinga on a spirit of discipline, self-drive, self-monitoring among the students, among the kids, for primary kids. Now, our American namwe babayita kids, mwenna aba high school beera kids mu America. You are all kids. Ate bano abantu abakulu, guys. So, are you getting my argument? Kakati mwe kyemukoze nga mukipassing on. I want to use an example of a school that I've been very close with for a long time. Archbishop Kiwanuka. Abaana ababeeranga mu music, dance and drama era be bamu kakati bulabanga they are leaders wherever they are. Ono y'omukulu olokira waliwo omulala w'okusaza Mr. Savio is there. Bafaala Mukasa nabalabanga sister ow'omwalimu mu Italy Justin Nalujja bazina ate ne bafuna first grades mukiraba bagamba oteekwa okubanga oli all round formed mu mutima obwongo ate n'ebinywa omwo mwe muva omuntu asobola okukola decision. Ngambye Father George nti abaana bano olaba asalawo nti kakati tugenda mu formation yeno and they are all doing it. Obwongo okusobola okwesetinga mu mbeera eyo bwe bali kuwa leadership very quick osanga okola decision. Oluusi eyinza okuba ekyamu naye ng'ogamba nti nkikoze okusigala nga tukoze okusinga okusigala nga tukoze decision. You see that? Kakati kalicha eno tugizimbe nti buli mwaka essomero lyaffe likola libeerayo ligenda mu maaso. Waliwo essomero lye baŋŋambye nti the kids misbehaved at dinner level. Ekyemu n'asalawo tisijja kubatwala. I think that is very good discipline. Basaalirwe. Kakati koddako oluddako noga nti luli watufiiriza okugenda ku dda. Now suddenly we all have to be disciplined, work as a team. Team building. Omwana omutima gwafuna wano ogw'essomero li mu competition eno mujja balaba wano nga balangirira. And I want to appeal to you, boys and girls, dear kids, when they are announced, I know you are very passionate about your school, but put your trust in the adjudicators. Give them a chance to take a decision who is best, who is second best, and who is best from the bottom of the list. That means the 25th. You see that? This exercise builds the team spirit. Everybody feels that this is my school. I want to take out the mapangisi. Could ever in your diocese? It is a shame for which person. bano eddafe babayitanga masinali bagamba mu lutalo olwagoba Idi Amin yaleeta abamagye mercenaries kyekigambo ekyoluzungu kati mu Luganda ffe nga tukyegondeza batuga nti baleese bamasinali. See that? Kuno tussaamu ekyo because it has to be the spirit of the school, the spirit of the Blessed Sacrament Secondary School, the spirit of the Blessed Sacrament Primary School, the spirit of St. Sebastian Bethlehem, yes, the spirit of Holy Family Nazareth. Kakati buli mwana gw'ofiisa omukisa ogwo obeera omugyamu team spirit. Bali bajje batu training. I am very grateful to the team, Mr. Sengubuge Gosinga okulabika amangu, all of those who come and train. Naye kino kituyambe tuli ku baana abato saawanvu wakati mpanvuyeeko naye mukitwale mu mutima mulungi nti nsanyuse. I'm really excited and I feel I should make some 2 extra points. Babukusaza, it's a very good coincidence. You entertained me it was on Tuesday. I was at your school, and now you come on stage when I'm also on stage. I wish you the very best. And the last 2 points. Gratitude. Abakulembeze baffe bano abayisi gye badde bagamba nti buli omu ataddemu omutima gwe. Honorable is here, I don't know since when. Eri abadde ayinza okubeera ne Masaka wali okugula wooteri ya Mr. Sotia Segawa naye ali wano. Adde asobola okubeera ewa Mr. Mwanda, one of our very good young families. It's no longer young, they celebrated 25 years today. Yali badde abeereyo naye ali wano. Bega tulina abakulembeze abalumirwa education, your future, dear boys and girls. No, let me call it ladies and gentlemen. Mwekubiri gwo mu ngalo. Dear ladies and gentlemen. Batwagaliza. Can you imagine, leader of opposition law, Right Honorable Matthias Mpuga, contributed a check of 10 million to ensure that this program runs. Is that a minor contribution? No. She's here, she has contributed money, she has also put in her time in addition to representing law. Mukiraba bannange? Ekirala kyakubeebaza era nakyo mwebale teachers, bursars, chairmen, management committees and the board of governors. Tulinamu council mu system yaffe tulinamu agricultural quality is a council, yes. All of you. Mamanyi, my predecessor of good memories, late John Baptist Kakwa, came up with an idea that the schools make what we call a consolidated fund contribution. You are responding very well, but you can do better. I thank you. I think this last term it has been the biggest contribution ever. Our schools will not fail. They will run, but also the mother, who is our diocese, will also run. And this man also comes back into the system in one way or another. Always somebody didn't get collapsing. When now indirectly you have contributed to its survival. And informed it's on the road to recover, and it will. Mukiraba sente tuzeetaaga mu system mwebale okuziwaayo okuziweesa omutima mulungi. If there is no accountability, ask the bishop to make that accountability. I will do it because I know it's being properly utilized. Mr. Edward Kayinja nsaba okwebaza okutusakiranga amawulire ate yakulira bannamawulire abakatoliki mu ssaza lino ye Masaka beekolamu ekibiina ate ye chairperson. Ebyo bibadde bisatu ebyokwebaza era bebikoze pointi yange esembayo. Mbasaba enkya ffenna tulamage ebirinzi. I wish you safe journey masses home after the exercise. Excitement tugicontrolling oba tuwangudde tulowooze okudda eka safely. Muwulidde bamaama ate bataata mwenna muwulidde Katonda bakuume. I'm sorry for taking such a long time, but I think it was worth the while and you have been very attentive. I wish the remaining two teams to come on stage and do what they prepared for us. Thank you.
Thank you to Bishop.
Toyanza